Assalamualaikum, hope that you all are well. In this video we are going to learn how to add frame with coordinates in my study area map. For that, first of all I have to open the QGIS and extract study area map. This is my study area map, which is Madhupur National Park. I have already extracted. How can you extract your study area map? You will find this in my previous video. Now let's start the video how to add frame with coordinates. For that, first of all you have to go to new print layout, click on it and name this layout with a unique name. I just click 6 7 whatever it is you want, you can save by name, and you see that a new layout created already. For adding map here, you have to click on the add map icon and select the area in which you want to add your map. Then you see that my study area map already placed here. Now you can move it with move item tool, make it bigger, zoom out. And for adding frame with coordinates, you have to click on the right button of mouse and go to item properties, add frame toolbox, enable this toolbox and go to grids and click on the plus icon, select the grid 1, modify grid. Then grid type will be frame and annotations only, CRS will be default CRS WGS 84 and interval will be centimeter. Okay, now select the interval x and y. In x axis it will be, I will select it 6, and in y axis also I will select 6. We can adjust with your necessity. Then go to frame style. Frame style will be interior and exterior streaks. Then frame size, these are okay. Then go to the draw coordinates. In format you can select degree and minute or degree and minute with suffix. In degree and minute it will just show the degree and minute, and degree and minute it will degree, minutes and suffix will show the north or south, north and east. Or also I will just select degree and minutes here. You see that already frame with coordinates created. You can adjust font distance from map frame. In this way you can add frame with coordinates, which is mandatory for research proposal study area map or research article study area map. Otherwise the proposal or article will not be accepted, so you must have to add these coordinates in your study area map. In this way you can easily add frame with coordinates. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you want to ask any question you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.